Hi and welcome. Today we're making Ramadan bread, traditional Ramadan bread. Very easy and simple. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's start with the ingredients. Today we have 500 grams of flour, 250 ml warm milk, salt, 1 egg, 50 ml vegetable oil, canola oil. This one has 10 grams of yeast and a teaspoon of sugar. So we're just gonna start with the egg. Just we're gonna add the wet ingredient, and then after that we're just gonna add the flour. So that's 1 egg, 250 ml warm water, or 1 cup, equal to 1 cup warm milk. Sorry, that's the sugar. That's 10 grams of yeast, probably like a teaspoon. That's 50 ml vegetable oil or canola oil. If you want to use olive oil, you can. Just keep mixing like that. Now we're going to take the flour and we're going to put a little bit of salt and mix it together. The salt depends on you. If you want it to be, no salt, you can don't add salt. Otherwise, you can put like a half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it with the flour like that. We can't add the salt with the yeast because it's not gonna work. So you gotta always leave the salt in the end. So now we're gonna put the flour. The dough is gonna be very soft, and you're not gonna use your hand. So everything with a whisk or a spoon or anything, it's gonna be very soft and sticky. So you don't even you need your hand or anything. You're just gonna continue using the whisk. You see, like that. Very soft and sticky. Make sure everything absorbs together, mixed together. Now, this tray, I use the tray. It's a small tray that I use for a toaster oven. So it's not like big, probably, I'm not sure the measurement, but it's small. So you can use this one, or you can use like a round one or a square one. So you can put parchment paper. I put a little bit of water under the parchment paper so it could stick. See, this is how the dough should look like. Sticky and loose. Now take your time and try to spread it like that all over the tray. So you keep pushing, it will follow. Just take your time and do it. That's why you need the parchment paper so it doesn't stick to the tray. Just make sure it's even and that's it. Let it rise. When you see it get risen, you just take one yolk and some water and tap on it gently. You don't want it to go down. You don't want to, just do it like that gently. You want it to stay risen like that. So you just gently. You can put sesame seeds on it. You can put whatever I'm using, black seeds, or you just leave it like that. But either way, you can even put any seeds you like. Preheat the oven at 350 and you're gonna bake it. And then when you see it turns to a brown and all cooked, you test it with a knife and it comes out dry. You know, that's it, it's done. So probably around, depends on everybody's oven. So I think probably I will give it 20 minutes. But you will tell. See, you're just gonna bake it for 350. And this is it. Let it cool a little bit and then you just easy to remove from the tray. See, that's why you use the parchment paper. This is very easy bread and it's very tasty. You can use it on Ramadan or you can use it any day with any meal. See, when I'm cutting it, it's very spongy and soft. See, this is how it looks. Very soft. So this is the bread and very easy recipe. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. And if you do, don't forget to give me a like. And I hope I see you in next video. Enjoy. Bye-bye.